discover 15 amazing woodworking tools on Amazon, all under $50, that will make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. From clever measuring gadgets to versatile hand tools, these budget-friendly finds pack serious value without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll wish you had discovered these woodworking essentials much sooner. Wolfcraft Contour Gauge. The Wolfcraft 6949000. Contour Gauge is a practical tool designed to transfer corners and contours with ease and precision. Perfect for flooring projects, it ensures accurate fitting of laminate, tiles, or other materials around tricky areas such as heating pipes and edges. The integrated clamping lever securely locks the contour tips in place, preventing any slipping during transfer. With a maximum contour width of 130mm and depth of 30mm, it offers versatility for various applications. Built from sturdy plastic, this contour gauge combines durability with user-friendly design, making it a reliable aid for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Arbortech Turbo Shaft. The Arbortech Turbo Shaft is a powerful carving attachment designed for 100mm, 4 inches, or 115mm, 4.5 inches, angle grinders, delivering precision and control for freehand woodworking. Ideal as a standalone tool or part of the turbo range, it features replaceable carbide teeth that ensure durability and excellent performance, even on the toughest timbers. The adjustable depth gauge allows quick and accurate cutting depth settings, making it highly versatile. Perfect for deep, narrow profiles, detailed sculpting, and template work, the Turbo Shaft empowers woodworkers to achieve intricate results with ease. A must-have tool for creative carving and woodworking projects. Pergola Kit. The Toja Grid. DIY modular. Pergola Kit is designed for anyone who wants to transform their outdoor space with ease, style, and durability. These Pergola Kits offer a simple, modern approach to design while remaining affordable and easy to assemble, with options ranging from 8x8 to 12x24. Perfect for decks, patios, docks, or cottages, Toja Grid Kits let you create a customized outdoor retreat anywhere. Add shade sails for protection from the sun, or use neck brackets to achieve a rafter-style roof. With versatile accessories and endless possibilities, Toja Grid makes it easy to build your dream outdoor living space. Euro Hinge Jig. The Milescraft. Euro Hinge Jig is a precision tool designed to simplify the installation of European-style concealed hinges. Its self-aligning design works seamlessly with both frameless and face frame cabinets, accommodating a wide range of hinge styles and cup locations. With edge alignment knobs, locator pins, and a detachable hinge marking guide, it ensures accurate positioning every time. The metal bushing drill guide guarantees perfectly straight 35mm cup holes, while built-in guide bushings let you pre-drill pilot holes for reliable hinge placement. Complete with a high-speed steel bit and depth-setting fixtures, this jig makes hinge installation faster, easier, and more professional. Connectable Contour Gauge. The Connectable Contour Gauge, priced at $21.99, is a versatile tool designed for precision and convenience in woodworking, flooring, and DIY projects. With its unique splicing design, you get 3 sizes: 5-inch for tight spaces, 10-inch for most tasks, and 15-inch for larger objects. Its multi-purpose use makes it perfect for flooring, tiling, wallpapering, moulding, and more. The double-sided scale, inches and centimeters, ultra-thin 0.05-inch blades and adjustable tightness ensure accurate measurements every time. Easy to use, simply press the gauge against the object to copy its shape and trace. A practical and creative gift idea for craftsmen, builders, and DIY enthusiasts. Mini Circular Saw. The Mini Circular Saw, priced at $39.99, is a compact yet powerful cutting tool featuring a 4-amp electric motor with 3,500 revolutions per minute no-load speed. It slices effortlessly through wood, PVC, laminate, plasterboard, plastic, and MDF using a 4.5-inch 24T tungsten carbide tipped blade. Precision is enhanced with a laser guide, parallel guide, scale ruler, and 45-degree bevel capability. Its depth gauge lever allows adjustable cuts up to 1 11/16 inches, 42.8 millimeters, while a dust extraction system with vacuum adapter ensures a clean workspace. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's designed for one-handed use. Package includes blades, RIP guide, vacuum adapter, tools, manual, and warranty card. A AUXTUR sharpening stone. The AUXTUR sharpening stone with angle fixing tool is designed for precision and durability, making it an essential accessory for woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Priced at $33.14, this honing guide ensures uniform sharpening by securing the chisel edge at a fixed angle. It offers multiple sharpening angles, easily adjustable with its upgraded off-center roller design, perfect for shorter planer blades. A wide roller attachment adds stability, preventing tipping while ensuring smooth movement. Compatible with chisels and planer blades from 0.2 to 2.55 inches, it's versatile and reliable. Built from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, it's wear-resistant, anti-corrosive, and built to last. Corner clamp. The WYQYQ corner clamp is a versatile tool priced at $38.99, designed to hold workpieces firmly at a perfect 90-degree angle. With a maximum clamping range of 2.75 inches, 70 millimeters. A jaw width of 3.74 inches, 95 millimeters, and a jaw depth of 1.38 inches, 35 millimeters. It offers precision and strength. Made from durable aluminum alloy die casting, it features a non-slip rubber handle for comfort and control. The adjustable jaws and rotating nuts make it easy to fix wood pieces of different thicknesses. Ideal for woodworking, welding, framing, and cabinet installation. This set includes 4 clamps and excellent customer support. Woodpeckers StabilMax Trim Router Base. The Woodpeckers StabilMax Trim Router Base is designed to bring unmatched stability and precision to your trim router. Its extended teardrop shape and oversized handle provide greater control, preventing the common dip issue when working on corners or narrow sections. Crafted from solid phenolic with CNC accuracy, it ensures strength and durability. The base features precisely located mounting holes, compatible with today's most popular trim routers. For added flexibility, it accepts Porter cable style template guide bushings and includes a centering pin for perfect alignment. With StabilMax, you can achieve flawless edge profiles and superior results on every woodworking project. Tietoc Chainsaw. The Tietoc Mini Chainsaw, priced at $35.99, is a compact cordless powerhouse designed for effortless gardening and trimming. Equipped with an 880-watt high-power motor, durable manganese steel chain, and auto oiler system, It slices through 6-inch branches with ease. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's slim, lightweight, and easy to handle. Perfect for women, seniors, or anyone tired of bulky gas saws. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery delivers reliable performance for pruning, cutting, and trimming in gardens, orchards, or farms. Safety features include a security lock, splash baffle, and anti-slip handle. Backed by a 365-day warranty, this gardener-friendly tool is a must-have for every homeowner. GRR-RIP. The GRR-RIP delivers unmatched gripping power for safer and more precise woodworking. Featuring innovative smart hooks, its drop-down heels engage instantly when needed and retract smoothly when not, ensuring seamless operation. The 2-pack includes proprietary green GRR-RIP material for superior hold and control, while the 90-degree flip guide supports vertical footing on bandsaws and router tables. An ergonomic handle allows you to apply directional pressure against the fence for maximum accuracy. With optional mounts for a deflector/connector shield plate, you gain added protection against chip debris. Safety, control, and versatility, all in one powerful tool. Massca Twin Pocket Hole. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole. Jig is a reliable woodworking tool designed for speed, precision, and durability. Its unique magnetic quick adjust base system makes setup fast and simple, eliminating the need for marking out. Built-in gauges for workpiece thickness, drill depth, and setup ensure accurate results every time. The hardened drill guide delivers long-lasting performance, while the clamping magnet allows compatibility with steel clamps for secure positioning. Perfect for creating strong joints or repairing woodwork, it supports timber between 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, 13 to 38 millimeters. The complete set includes a jig, drill bit, stop collar, and hex key, ideal for DIY, carpentry, and joinery projects. Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Table. The Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 Folding Table is a versatile portable solution for workshops, garages, and outdoor projects. It functions as both a sturdy workbench and a heavy-duty sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Its large 31 inches by 25 inches surface with a 32-inch working height makes it ideal for woodworking, painting, or repairs. Made from durable ABS plastic with steel reinforcements, it's lightweight at just 30 pounds. The integrated clamping system with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs keeps materials secure, while its fold-and-go design saves space. AUX Easy Start Handsaw. The AUX Easy Start Handsaw is built for precision, comfort, and efficiency. Featuring an easy start design with 13 TPI at both the front and back of the blade, it allows smoother and faster initiation of cuts, saving time and effort. The blade is coated with Teflon, reducing friction for cleaner, easier sawing through various materials. Its ergonomically designed AUX grip handle ensures comfort during extended use, minimizing hand fatigue while providing superior control. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this handsaw combines durability and user-friendly features to deliver reliable, accurate cutting performance for woodworking and general carpentry tasks. Armor Tool. The Armor Tool. AutoJig is a fully automated pocket hole system designed to simplify joinery with unmatched precision. by simply clamping your material in the jig. The system automatically adjusts the drill guide and collar settings to match material thickness, saving time and eliminating guesswork. Its innovative colour-coded screw system ensures you always use the correct screw length, making setup effortless. The colour coating not only indicates the right screw, but also provides anti-corrosive protection, making them ideal for both indoor furniture and outdoor builds. With its efficiency and durability, the Auto Jig is a must-have tool for woodworkers,